iOS 17 was designed to make several features on messages more consolidated, give you a lot more options and easier to manage all of these, which includes sending audio messages. I'm the CyberGuy. You can follow me at cyberguy.com for more of these quick tips and to sign up for my free newsletter. Now, previously on iOS 16, if you wanted to send an audio message, all you had to do was click on the waveform. Now on iOS 17 for iPhone, it got a little different. Let me show you how to do this. Go to Messages, then click on a conversation. Tap the plus button at the bottom left. Next to the orange waveform, press Audio. Record your message, then press Send. Once sent, the audio message will be transcribed within the text chain. This way, you won't even have to listen to it. You can read what was said. It is just that easy. It's a super easy way to let someone hear a voice message from you directly on iPhone. If you want more tips like this, go to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.